Very good evening, all of you. Welcome to Unify Study. All are ready? You all are ready for exam? Yes. Ready to do marathon study with me, marathon revision with me, not marathon study, I can't say, because next day is your exam. So, here we will do marathon revision from all important topics, scoring topic, 100% sure topic, trending topic of computer science. From where you will get 100% sure question and 100% sure score. So, be ready with me. First, we will start with opposite direction, artificial intelligence. As you know, AI is trending now and definitely AI question will be there. I will show you the 100% sure area from where always questions are coming. Throughout the previous year's analysis, current trend analysis, I am taking those topics. You will get the current questions and with the question, your understanding, mind mapping, quick revision chart, everything you are going to get here. So just be with me till the end. Your all learning will be done here, and share with your friends. Share with your friends definitely, because sharing is caring, right? Chalo, let's start, and I need all of your cooperation here. I need your answer. How long you will be active? I will be also active. The chat, in the chat there should be the flood of answer, so that I will be also active. Yes, first question is definition of dash organized to this. So what is this? Is it machine learning? It is deep learning, artificial intelligence, or neural network? What is your correct answer? So here you understand one thing, AI is the superset, after that machine learning subset, then neural network, then deep learning. So AI means it is the broader aspect. You are going like law of thought, means artificially you are trying to make intelligence, that one. Machine learning part of AI but learn data without being explicitly programmed for every task. Explicitly programming not required. Machine is able to learn by itself. That's why machine learning. Deep learning means when multi-layer artificial neural network. Actually, neural network on the top, after that deep learning. So, neural network means which is working as a human being. That is the neural network. And after that, whenever you are increasing the layer, that is called deep learning. So, that's why here it is your quick revision chart. As you can see that for quick revision chart, AI, machine learning and deep learning, quickly check it, and then we will move on to the next question. Quickly check this one. You can take the screenshot also if you need. I am telling you a shortcut that yes, those who are thinking that yes, if you are with mobile phone, or if definitely either you are watching with your mobile phone or you are watching with your laptop. So if you are watching with laptop, then take the screenshot and just side by side uh, open a slide. Okay, that is PPT. So there you can paste whatever you need, whatever you think that I am not able to remember. And same thing you can do from your phone also. Everything no need to do screenshot. Wherever you are thinking I am not able to remember, I need like last minute revision, you can take the screenshot. It will be good for you. Okay. So that's why here AI, deep learning, machine learning, this is the difference. So you can get your answer. This is artificial intelligence, definitely. Next question, quick question, quick answer. Quick question and quick answer. Here knowledge, reason and intelligence. Knowledge is different. Knowledge means you have the knowledge, yes, the information related to the environment. Reasoning means ability of the machine to understand the knowledge. And intelligence means ability of the machine to make the decision on the basis of knowledge. That means yes, today you are learning, you will get the knowledge, but are you able to implement it in the exam hall? That is your intelligence, right? So knowledge, then reasoning, there's intelligence coming. So now tell me your answer from here. Quick answer. I think we have done this question previously also. Whatever question we have done under the sequence, I think we have done this question, right? Yes. So quickly we can say that yes, answer is option 2 here. Whatever we have done, we will not waste that much time for this. Just it is your quick revision. Next, so here you can see that properties of knowledge. Quickly go through it. I will ask you question. Inferential adequacy, representational adequacy, inferential adequacy, inferential efficiency, and acquisitional efficiency. These four are very, very important for you. Representational adequacy means ability of the system to represent all kinds of knowledge. Inferential adequacy means knowledge representation to manipulate current stored knowledge. Inferential efficiency means to directly add new knowledge in the system. And acquisitional efficiency means ability of the system to automatically acquire new knowledge. Very, very important for you. You can see this. This is your quick charts. And I am showing you the answer here. Also the semantic network is coming. Logic, semantic network, frame, production rule, and the script. These are the different way of representing knowledge. Logic means fact and rule. Semantic network means graph. Frame means slot and value. Slot and filler you can say. And production rule means if then. And script means event sequence. From here questions are coming. Now question in front of you. I will show you topic. I will show you question. Quickly answer. Topic question. Yes. Answer is here. Representational adequacy, there is nothing like presentational. It is representational. Represent and present is not same, right? Next. Do it quickly. Yes, so here strip divided into primitive and derivative, so it is correct. Strip action set track representation, not precondition or effect. And strip is action centric, not the feature centric. It is given feature centric, that's why this is wrong. And strip cannot directly define condition effect, this is also wrong. So that's why here your answer is B and C. Option 2 is the correct answer. Next question. Do the next question quickly. Yes, good, very good, very good, very good. Here definitely here your answer is which of the structure knowledge represent most purely syntactic. That is your predicate logic and slots and filler, right? So it is your mind mapping, final mind mapping for this AI, as you can see that here AI environment, observability, predictability, dependency. According to that we are dividing. So observability, fully observable chess, tic-tac-toe, partially observable poker and driving. Predictability, deterministic, stochastic. Dependency, episodic and sequential. Changeability like static, dynamic. And state space, discrete and continuous. And number of agents, single agent and multi-agent. From here you are getting question. So your question, I am showing you the question. Here you can see fully as observable, deterministic and static environment. Here it is classical planning. And this is partially observable means uncertain. So question in front of you and it is your quick revision chart. For classical planning means fully observable, deterministic. Comfortment planning means uncertain environment. Contingency, uncertain environment. Reactive, dynamic environment. Hierarchical, complex problem. Here you can see your quick charts. Now, question in front of you. Tell me the answer, everyone. Answer, answer. So here your answer is compartment planning, because partially observable plus no observation. Now next question, multi-agent, very important, multi-agent. Okay, so multi-agent system, very popular, again and again question coming from here. What is multi-agent system? Multi-agent system is the two or more intelligent system together. They are working as a team, just like me and Tulasi ma'am working as a team, paper 1 and paper 2, but both are independently working. They are together doing different tasks but working as a team for a same goal. That's why it is called multi-agent system, and they are communicating. So this is the main concept of multi-agent system: cooperation, coordination, communication, reactivity, proactiveness. So here reactivity means response to the environment change, proactive means take the initiative. So here your answer is multi-agent with diverse objective and communication abilities. Our both subjects are different but goal is same, right? Now again another question from multi-agent. These topics are very popular for you. Quick answer. Yes. So definitely this is your answer, because option D, you can eliminate option D. They are controlled by single and centralized authority, not at all. Both are independently working. They are independently working. So here you can see that some expert system from where you are getting question. Dendral, first successful expert system, it is working on chemistry. Mycin working on bacterial infection. Emycin expert system cell. Prospector minerals exploration. XCon computer configuration. And these are mostly important. Other two also you can remember. So from here you can see the question from expert system. Quick, we will do revision. So many topics need to be done. You can tell me in between if you want to switch to the topic, that is also we can do. If you want TOC, networking, tell me. Let me know in the comment here. We can switch also. If you want that, okay, I first complete, then we will switch to other. Or if you want no, switch to networking or TOC, whatever as per your choice, as per your requirement, I am ready. You tell me. Yes, here your answer is option 2 here, because both are true. This is also expert system, and here this is false, because the rationality of an agent not related to the reaction. It is completely false because it is depending on the reaction. So that's why it is false. Next one, do this quickly. TOC, 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 TOC network. Okay, switch. Okay, I am switching to TOC. Okay, okay, we will mix, we will mix. No issues, no issues. Do this question after that. So your answer is definitely this one: rule based preference, object based preference, action based preference. So here your answer is this one: assigning preference based on action and match the object would perform. This is the correct answer. So most of you are telling, as I am giving a poll quickly, network or TOC. Which one now you want to start? Tell me. We will switch, no problem. I gave a poll, quickly answer in the poll, those who are live here, according to your reply. Quick, 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 quick. You can see in the poll 50-50. No, no, it's going 50-50. Re. At least something increase, decrease should be there. Quick, quick, quick. Okay, TOC network both are coming 50-50. So I am suggesting one thing, no problem. Networking is little bit fast, it will little take time, but TOC is easy. TOC is very quickly we can do, and limited area but scoring area. With less area you can get more, so less is more. So that's why, okay, let's move on to TOC. As per your request, we can move on to the TOC. Then we will go for networking. No worries, whatever you want, I am there for you. Arey. Yes. So let's do the final revision for TOC. TOC is the subject from where actually you are able to score very good score with less area. I am telling you, if you just cover this area as per the trending area, I will tell you 100% sure you will get the score. So let's start without wasting time. First, easy question I am asking you, super easy question from TOC. Tell me the answer. After marathon, the video will be available, no problem. Video will be available. After live, video will be there. Yes. So here, which of the following are not in L star? Not in L star. Very carefully read the not. If I am ignoring not in the question, then I have to see not qualified. Always remember that. So here in your language it is there AB, AA and BAA. Just observe the option and get the answer. I am getting here AB, from here no problem, AA from here no problem, BAA, this is BAA. After that again AB, AB, after that AA. I am able to get, no problem. Here also AA, no problem, BAA, AA, no problem. Here what problem is going on, see that. I am getting BAA from here, no problem. AA, I am getting from here, that is also okay. But here ABA, how I can get it? Here this 1A is creating problem. This 1A, that is also I can do, no problem, from AB. I can do it from AB. After that 2A, that is also I can do. But here again AAB. AAB, if I am taking this 2A from here, then how I will get this B? So that's why I am not able to generate this one. So it is your answer. This cannot be generated. Now tell me the answer for this one. Yes. So which of the following correct according to the regular expression here? Always remember one thing. This is a short trick I am telling you. The short trick is that phi think as 0, epsilon think as 1. It is a trick. So if you put here, then it will be easy. 0 plus L equals to L plus 0 equals to L. It is correct, no problem. Here I can say 1 dot L equals to L dot 1 equals to L. This is also correct. Here you see 0 dot L equals to L dot 0, that is 0. It is also correct. Here you see 0 dot L equals to L dot 0 equals to L. This is not correct. So just at the place of phi put the 0 and epsilon put 1. So you can get your answer. That's why ABC is the correct answer. Now the next question. Do this. New batch will start from 1st July. You will get update by 25th June. 22nd our exam will be over. So by 25th June for the new batch, you will get the update. Yes. Here you have to do in ascending order. Do it in ascending order. Yes, so for this this chart is very important chart for you. You have to remember this chart. This chart is most important chart. From here 100% sure you are getting one question always. So regular, DCFL, CFL, CSL, recursive enumerable. The machines which is working with this, that is finite automata. DFA, NFA power is always same. DCFL means DPDA, NCFL is NPDA, but NPDA power is more than DPDA. And then it is coming to LBA, linear bound automata, that is CSL, and recursive HTM, that is halting Turing machine, and RE Turing machine, recursive. And here you can see that regular, REG regular is working type 3, this is type 3 grammar, and DCFL, CFL together we are telling type 2, that is CFG, and CSL is type 1, that is CSG, context sensitive grammar, and recursive enumerable together unrestricted, that is type 0 grammar. So what is the superset? Type 0 is the superset, then type 1, then type 2, then type 3. And here all regular are CFL but reverse not true. That means higher one can satisfy lower one, but lower one cannot satisfy higher one. That is what we can do by finite automata, can be done by push down automata also. But push down automata can solve the problem of finite automata, but finite automata cannot solve the problem of push down automata. This is very important to remember. 100% you are getting question from here. That's why here your answer is option 1 is the correct answer, right? Yes. Now the next. Here you see, just revise once. The regular, how to identify the regular? Whenever you are identifying the regular means only ordering on the finite comparison. That means you can see ordering will be there just like that, A, after that B, after that C. If you are able to see A equals to B and it is a infinite comparison, ki number of A will be greater than 0, number of B will be greater than 0, then anyhow you cannot do with finite automata. Push down automata can do at a time only one comparison with stack, and it should be in LIFO order, last in first out order. There are two types, one is DPDA, another is NPDA. So DPDA means deterministic, where push and pop is clear. NPDA where push and pop is not clear. And then we are coming to LBA, that is CFL. Whenever more than one comparison is there at a time or it is not in LIFO order, then we are going for LBA, right? So mostly they are asking identify regular, context free language and CFL. So I am coming to the question, you tell me the answer for this. Do the answer. Quick answer. Yes, here your answer is, which one is context free language? As you can see that yes, option A and B is the correct answer, because you can see here at a time you see I plus K equals to J plus L. By looking you will think that how we will do, because it is not in LIFO order. First I, then J, then K, then L. But this one I can rewrite it. I plus K equals to J plus L. I can rewrite it like I minus J equals to L minus K, right? So then what we will do, Wi xj, then yk, then zl. So I will push all the w, then I will compare with x. So whatever difference between w and x, after that I will push all the y and compare with z. Whatever difference, if the difference is same, that means I can say yes, it is coming correct. So I can do with stack, push and pop, no problem. Here also you can see at a time one comparison, I equals to j and k equals to a. So first I will compare this, then I will compare this, I can do that. But here at a time more than one comparison, that cannot be done. Here also at a time more than one comparison, not possible. Here also at a time more than one comparison, these all are possible in CSL, not in CFL. That's why A and B is the correct answer. More than one comparison at a time CFL cannot do. Right. Now the next question. Do this. Answer, everyone answer quickly. Yes, which of the following cannot be accepted by push down automata? Push down automata and CFL, very important for you. So here you can see definitely option A and B. A and B is the correct, because you see here I am doing here which of the following cannot be. This is obviously CSL at a time 3 comparison. A to the power n, B to the power n, C to the power n, it is a CSL. And this one A to the power P, P is a prime number. This is also not context free. Why? Don't think that ki A to the power P equals to A to the power star. Not at all. A star, this is a regular, but A to the power P, P is a prime number, means you have to check A square, A cube, A to the power 5, A to the power 7, A to the power 11. This prime check, that divisibility check, prime means divisibility. Divisibility check you have to do. That is cannot be done through the push down automata. That's why this one is not possible. WWR, it is a NCFL. No problem. Here this is also we can do number of A in the word equals to number of B in the word, that is possible. Here number of C equals to number of A plus B, that is also possible. So only A and B is not possible, they are not context free. Other than that, everything is context free. Okay, next one. Now do this. Yes. A to the power n, B to the power n, C to the power n, just now we have done, it is a linear, it is a CFL, so it is accepted by linear bound automata, so both are correct and it is the correct explanation also. Why doing mistake? It is obviously correct explanation, right? Why doing mistake? Now you see one question from Turing machine, how the Turing machine working. Already from TOC, so many comprehension type question came. That is Turing machine comprehension also, finite automata comprehension also. They asked 2 times already, finite automata 2 times, Turing machine 1 time. So TOC is very important subject for you. Even also you can get comprehension again. Yes, so how the Turing machine is working? First reading the symbol from the tape, then going to the next state, for that what symbol it is, then writing the symbol, then moving tape to the left or right and then halting. I will suggest you the Turing machine comprehension type question solution is there in PYQS playlist. Watch that, because again you can get comprehension type question. Highly expected, don't miss it. One topic, one question will take your 1 hour, at least 40-minute time. So that's why now I cannot explain, but must watch that. See here, type 3 grammar, type 2 grammar, type 1 grammar and type 0 grammar. This grammar is nowadays very popular, very popular, identifying the grammar. Which one is what type of grammar, matching type question. I will show all the question. Very popular nowadays. Yes, answer I am getting. So you see that here your answer is option 1. Why this is your answer? You need to remember this chart. How to identify type 3 grammar. Regular. Regular means it will be either left linear or right linear. That means either in the left hand side all small letter or in the right hand side all small letter. And it will be a combination of one capital, one small. That's why you can see either only one small letter or one small then capital letter. Left linear means either all small letter will be in the left hand side or in right hand side. That's why this is called regular. In this way you need to find out. Next one is type 2 grammar, context free grammar. Context free grammar means here anything will be possible, but left hand side only one capital letter, right hand side multiple possible. Here context sensitive grammar. Context sensitive means here the length of the left hand side should be less or equals to the length of the right hand side. But in the left hand side multiple number of variable or terminal possible. Here one variable only in the left hand side, but here multiple possibilities there, but length should be less than. And then coming to the recursive enumerable type 0, here contain at least one non-terminal. Other than that any other restriction is not there. That's why you can see here that which one is type 3 grammar, this one, because here one side and after that non-terminal and terminal, so no problem. Here type 2 grammar, this one is the type 2 grammar, one variable left hand side, after that anything. Here type 1 grammar is this one, because variable and terminal both can be there, and this one. Then this is the type 0, so it is your correct answer, right? From here I am asking you another question again, and this is your quick revision chart for type 3, type 2, type 1, type 0. How to identify, and what is the language, what is the machine, and even also the closure property. Very important chart for you, closure property. Which one is closed under what? I will show you separately closure property chart also, but within one chart everything is there together. That is most helpful for your quick revision. Okay, quickly you can revise from this chart. Here you can see another question. GNF, CNF and GNF. Chomsky normal form, Grepek normal form. This is also most important nowadays. Answer everyone. And please share with your friends that class is going on. Call all of your friends to the class if they are interested. If they are interested, then only, otherwise not. Yes, here your answer is option 4, definitely. With the same way you can do that. Yes, just now we have discussed. So this rule you can apply. But here you need to remember one thing, that for the GNF and CNF, how we can identify the GNF, left linear and right linear. Already I explained you what is left linear and right linear. With that you can do. Here now do the context free. Which one is context free here? Little bit tricky question, but very important question for you. Try to understand which one is context free here. Very, very important. Do it. Like this way also you can get comprehension. They can give you grammar, they can ask you multiple questions. This is also can be your comprehension. Answer. Okay, most of you are answering. Good. Here you see option 2 is the correct answer. Why? Must understand very clearly. First of all, whenever you are coming to this production, the left hand side has a terminal. As you can, left hand side has a small letter that is not allowed in regular or CFG. That's why it is not. Here you see this, although this is making recursive pattern, here CFG in both regular, but left recursion is not allowed. If the grammar is left linear, then regular grammar can have left recursion generated by this regular, like this way. Okay, so that's why we cannot do. It is a recursion going on. As you can see, S, then AB, then A is again going to S. That means this is a recursion, and this recursion will be not allowed here. Okay, that's why this is also not coming under this. Now next one, this one no problem. This one directly we can see, say that it is context free but not regular, because question was asking you only context free. Only context free. If it is regular and context free both, then you cannot choose. You have to check only context free. Got it? So it is only context free but not regular. Here also you can see this is right linear, right linear, right linear. So this is regular and context free both. It is both. That's why you are not taking this. It is actually both. Okay. And for this one, it is, you can see the mixed. So mixed of left and right linear. So it is only CFG but not regular. That's why final answer is coming C and D. Very good question. Very good question. From here your so many concept is getting clear. Why I am going to choose this? Why not this? Be very clear about that. We have to find here only CFG but not regular. And a regular grammar must be right linear or left linear like this. Okay. If any production has more than one variable in right hand side or variable in both side, become non-regular but still CFG. That is our target here. Yes, clear? Now see, now you find out here regular, unrestricted, Chomsky and Grepek all together. Why not B? I already explained why not B. Because it was recursive. Because it was recursive. Tell me the answer for this. Regular, unrestricted, Chomsky and Grepek. Yes. So here the difference between how to identify the Chomsky and Grepek. So Chomsky means it will be one side capital letter, one capital letter and two capital letter in right hand side. Here one capital letter and one small letter. This is directly called Chomsky. And here you see starting with capital letter left hand side, right hand side can start with a one small letter. After that alpha means it can be anything, string of variables, that means multiple variable. One small letter, after that multiple capital letter may or may not be there. This is the way you can find out that it is Grepek and it is Chomsky. Okay, so right hand side can have two non-terminal only. Right hand side start with one non-terminal followed by 0 or more variable. This is the main thing. So if you come to the answer from here, you can answer the question. That's why that is your answer, right? Clear? Yes. Now you see, do this question. Do it, do it. Which of the following is CFG here? This type of question is nowadays very popular. Yes. Here, which of the following is CFG here? Option B only. Because why? You can see there are three variable which is not allowed. Here you can see it is the small letter, after that capital letter, small letter, capital letter. Because in right hand side, terminal plus variable is there. Right? Next one you can see here, this one. Right hand side, two terminals. That's why it is not even also, it is recursive. This is recursive, left recursive. So right hand side, this is not. CNF cannot be recursive. That's why previous one also, it cannot be recursive. So only this one is satisfying. So B only. Only B is the correct answer here. Right. Now, so the last question, this is your answer, but I was asking this one CNF and GNF. This is your answer for the last question. Now do this one. Quick answer. Okay, I am getting answer. Very good. So here your answer is A and C. Those who are telling option 2, they are wrong. Why you are telling option 2? These are wrong. You are telling B and C. It is wrong. It is A and C. All production rule of A, X, B and X. This is just now I told, right? But I told one small letter, then capital letter, or one small letter. Obviously, this is correct. No problem. Where AB is the non-terminal. It is correct one. Why wrong? B is telling regular grammar is more powerful than the context-free grammar. How you are telling this is correct? Context-free is more powerful than regular. Regular is more powerful than context-free. How? How you are telling this? This is obviously wrong. There is a direct correspondence between the regular grammar and the finite automata. This is correct because you are starting with this. Regular grammar can generate language not recognized by the type of automata. This is wrong. Finite automata can recognize it. Right. So, here this is your correct answer. Now tell me ambiguity, ambiguous. Ambiguity is very important. Tell me the answer for ambiguity. Achha, those who are watching till now, if you are not able to click the like button, means your maybe hand is not working to click the like button. I am telling you how to click the like button. Just take your finger like this and click on like button. Okay. If you are doing it from your mobile, just you one finger you tick and click. Like that you can click on like button, or this way you can click on like button. Okay, please click. I am telling you how to click. So click it. Yeah. Now see. Here you are doing again another mistake. Here twist in the statement. Twist is there. When we are telling ambiguous, ambiguous means for one string, if you are able to generate left or right, either left derivation tree or right derivation tree, more than one. If you are doing left derivation tree, right derivation tree, both not. Either left derivation tree or right derivation tree. That's why more than one leftmost derivation, that is correct. More than one derivation, no. It should be either left or right, or more than one right. Got it? So option A is wrong. Means statement A is wrong. So this is your correct answer. Remember that. Acha, next one. Do this one. Here it is a comprehension type question from finite automata. Easy question. Here read the question. First, which string you have to find out. Point here. This is your alphabet given and combination of all alphabet and A, B, B works or lies as a substring of all the string be accepted. According to this, for the above specific, which of the following DFA for the language represent or accepted by the machine? I will show you the images. You have to find out which one is the correct DFA here. Okay? I am showing you the option. See the option and think it which one is correct. Check very carefully. The image is very important. Like this type of image they are giving and they are asking question, which is very important for you. Do it. Answer. I need answer from everyone. ABB, yes. Question was this one. It is accepting ABB as a substring. ABB as a substring. So your option C is the correct answer. Because why? Because first of all it was asking you DFA. Deterministic finite automata. Deterministic finite automata means from one state by taking one alphabet it will go to a particular one state, right? That is the main difference between DFA and NFA. NFA can do multiple state. By taking A, I can go to Q1, I can go to Q2 also. But in DFA, it is not possible. One state, by taking one alphabet, it will get to only one particular one. You see that. Here it is not a DFA. By taking A, it is coming here. Again, by taking A, it is coming here. It is not a DFA. Here you see this one, what is going on here. This is so definitely we are able to eliminate. Now we have to think about that. Yes, my target was ABB. ABB. That is a substring, right? Here you see, you are thinking that by taking A you are going here, by taking B you are coming here. That was okay. Here by taking A you are making a loop. Here by taking B you are going here. But in this state, for A, what to do? Not handled. You have not handled here. If I am getting A, what to do? This is not handled here. If I am getting B, I am coming here. But what to do if I am getting A? And from here, what to do? That's why this is wrong. Here in this one, we are handling each and every one. Whenever you are doing TOC question, each and every state you have to think all possibilities. Whatever input I have, if I am getting A, what to do? If I am getting B, what to do? Again, if I am getting A, what to do? If I am getting B, what to do? This both possibilities you have to think, because it is DFA. In NFA, no need to think, because NFA phi is there, epsilon state is there, but here it is not. So here you have to take care. Only in this one we have take care of all these concepts. So that's why this is your correct answer. Got it? Now tell me, which of the following is correct? This is actually telling about NFA. This is a finite automata. That means NFA. Previous one was DFA. Now tell me the NFA. Means finite automata means you can go for NFA. No problem. Answer everyone. Confused? I am not getting answer from anyone. Why? Okay. I am getting answer from Tanuja. Option C is the correct answer, because very easy here. NFA means no need to think about multiple things. Whatever my requirement, I will think that only. My requirement is substring ABB. Right? So you see here very clearly we are accepting ABB. It is ending here. So obviously, no problem. It is not creating any problem, right? Here you are doing ABB, but if before that starting is AB, then you are not handling the starting point. Here you are not handling the ending part. Here we are handling starting and ending both. In between something means we can do. So option 3 is the correct answer here. Now tell me, what is the answer for this one? Yes. Here, just now we have done the NFA. From the NFA only you know the answer, because substring is ABB. Before that starting can be A plus B whole star. That means all possibility of AB. Ending also all possibility of AB. So this is your regular grammar. Now next one. This is your regular expression. Now tell me the regular grammar. We have done the regular expression. Now you have to do the regular grammar. So are you feeling boring, or are you feeling that okay, some time wastage or something? What, tell me? If you think that okay, class is not helpful for you, then I will end, no problem. Because really I don't want to waste your time before exam. Some of the candidates was asking, that's why I came. If you think that okay, no, not required, I will end. It's okay. I don't want to waste your time at all. Yes. So here your answer will be this one definitely. Because starting and ending, this is the way how we are writing the grammar. This is the two capital letter A and capital letter A is the, this is the way how we are writing A plus B whole star. This is A plus B whole star and this is the substring ABB. So yes, your answer is this one. Right. Now do this one. Okay, okay, do it, do it, do it. Okay. Do this one. Ma'am, please make me discrete math also. Discrete math, some of the topic we have done. Discrete math we have done last class. I have taken discrete math. And if you wish, I can upload another video for proportional like what, permutation combination probability together. Yes. So here More and milli machine, this is also very important for you, because finite automata two types are there. One is with output, another is without output. DFA, NFA is without output, milli more is with output. Milli to more conversion, more to milli conversion is also expected for you. They can ask question. So here it is correct answer. D is given that by elimination also you can do. More machine is not a finite automata. Obviously it is wrong. This is wrong. This is the correct answer. Option 2. Right. Now go to this. This is your, this type of question is also very popular. Very popular. They are giving this type of states. And after that they are asking what language it is. So try to understand what language it is. Okay, okay, do the TOC. After that I will take your request. First complete the TOC, because really it is a very scoring area. I can give you guarantee from this question. Obviously you will get question in exam hall. 100% sure. Little bit more is there. Complete the TOC and compiler, then I will come. Yes. So here your answer is this one. A to the power n, B to the power n, because you see here what is going on. By looking this only you can do. Here it is starting with Q0. Okay, it is what, which machine it is? Who can tell me what machine it is? Is it finite automata or PDA or Turing machine? What machine it is? This is what type of machine? It is a what type of machine? Turing machine, obviously, because you can see this is going like right, left. This is actually Turing machine, right? By taking here, you see that A, B, B, like this if I am taking here. So what is going on? Q0 state, by taking A, it is X, erasing with X and going to Q0 state. After that it is going to Q1 state and it is replacing A with X. After that in Q1 state, again if it is getting A, it is in Q1 state itself and it is moving on to the right hand side. That means it is keeping this A and moving into the right hand side more to read the next. After that, when in the Q1 it is getting the B, it is replacing B with Y and moving to the left hand side. After that, in the Q1 again, if it is getting B, then it is moving to the Q2 state and Y and moving to the left hand side. But here we already moved to the left hand side here. So now I am searching the next A here. Whenever I am searching the next A, I got the next A, I am leaving the A and I am searching for X. That means I am coming to the last location here. What was my last point? From here again I will start finding this way by taking this one. Again I am going to replace X. Same way, according to this A, again it will start and again it will replace with Y. That means by this transition, easily we are able to understand that it is actually number of A and number of B equal, that is trying to find out. So obviously it is A to the power n, B to the power n. But the problem is that everyone is A to the power n, B to the power n. Which one is correct? Here you see. Is it accepting epsilon? How to understand epsilon? By Q0, by taking epsilon or lambda, is it coming back to epsilon? And Q0 is the initial and final state both. If initial and final state both same, then it is accepting lambda or epsilon, that means length 0 string. Here you are able to see it is not happening like that. That means equal to 0. Whenever it is given n greater or equals to 0 means A to the power 0, B to the power 0 means epsilon accepted. It is not accepting epsilon. Got it? It is at least A and B should be 1. So greater or equals to 1. This is also correct. This is actually also correct because same thing, greater or equals to 1 and greater than 0, both are same. So this one and this one both are correct, but this one not correct because not only 1, it can be greater or equals to 1. So that's why ultimately how to understand? First of all, by liking this, you can take the string and you can see what is going on. After that, check that is it accepting epsilon, means starting and ending is same. Then I can say that yes, equal to 0. If it is not same means it is greater than 0. This is the way you need to solve this type of question. Okay. From this type they asked previously push down automata also. Same language they asked push down automata. Now do this. Yes, quick answer, quick answer. Yes, definitely option 3 is the correct answer. L1, L2 are the context-free language. Which of the following is true? L1 intersection L2 is recursively enumerable. Here also you will be confused. Here you need to remember one thing. See that here also this is a little bit contradictory question. It can be also true. Context sensitive can be also true. Because A to the power n, B to the power n, C to the power m, intersection with A to the power m, B to the power n, C to the power n. If I am doing, I am getting A to the power n, B to the power n, C to the power n. This is a CSL, context sensitive language. But why this is your answer? Whenever you are getting both, it can be also correct, it can be also correct. This is the subset, this is the superset. So you have to go for the all possibility. So this is your answer, that's why. Whenever particularly a language is given, then definitely you can say it is correct. But whenever two option is coming correct, then go for the high probable one and the superset. Always remember. That's why we are going for the superset. Those who will do this, they are wrong. Okay? They will not accept both as a correct answer. Always superset is the correct answer. Okay? This technique also remember, otherwise you will lose your score. They will not accept. So here this is your quick revision chart for your closure property. How to remember? easy way to remember is that regular is closed under everything. Regular is closed under everything. That's why yes. Context free language is not closed under intersection, set difference and complement. DCFL is only closed under complementation and intersection with regular and inverse homomorphism. Other than that, all are no. Context sensitive and recursive is only closed under homomorphism and substitution. Other than that, all are yes. And recursive enumerable is not closed under set difference and the complementation. Other than that, all are true. The exception only, just remember only exception. Which one is high? Arey yaar, which one is high? Recursive enumerable is the highest one. After that, recursive, then context sensitive, then context free, then regular. That's why I show you the first chart. Which one is the superset and which one is the subset. Right? Exception, remember, that will be easy for you. Now again see another closure property question. This is masked area from TOC. You need to remember these charts. Very, very important charts for you. Everyone answer. So many of you are watching, but you are not answering. Today also you are watching. So Monday also you will watch. Monday also you will go for exam hall. I am observing question. Then also your hand will not work, Ray. Till now if you are inactive, passive mode, so exam hall also how you will click? Your hand will shivering. You will be not able to click. Active now. Please try to be active. So yes, your answer is here C and D only. Because according to the closure property chart only we can say that. Right. Now tell me, this type of question also coming from closure property. Do the answer. Yes. What is this? How to solve it? A star. A star is obviously a regular language. A star is the regular language. But A to the power n, B to the power n, it is a DCFL. Right? This is not a regular language. Whenever you are doing union, then you will get the DCFL, not regular. Always remember lower one and higher one. Whenever you are doing union, then you are getting higher one. Whenever you are doing intersection, then also you are getting higher one. This technique will help you. So that's why this is regular, but this is not regular. Okay. Now, this chart is very important chart for you. You can get question from there. This is decidability chart. In the decidability, what are the problems are there? Membership problem. First one is membership problem, that the word belongs to the language or not. Emptiness problem, the language is null or not. Completeness problem, the language is complete or not. Two languages equal or not. One language is the subset of another language or not. One language is the intersection of another language or not. And language is finite or not. Language is the complement of the language is same type or not. Intersection of two languages is same type or not. And regular is the language is regular or not. These are the very popular decidability chart. Here also you can remember with shortcut that regular is decidable under everything, and just remember the exception. It is undecidable. DCFL is only undecidable here. CFL is only decidable here. CSL and recursive always both are giving same. And recursive enumerable is undecidable under everything. For everything undecidable. Okay. In this also you can remember like that. So I am not asking question from there. Now I am going with the, because decidability recently they did not ask any question. This type of decidability like memorization type of question they used to ask till 2021-22. But from 2023, 2024, 5, they are not asking that type of memorization type of question. Rather than they are asking all 4 conceptual question. That's why decidability nowadays not that much trending. But closure property is trending. Okay? This is most trending, most important from your my mom is Bengali and who is this Ray? Rosie. আচ্ছা তোমার মাকে বলবে কেমন আছো দিদি, এটা তোমার মার জন্যে। নর্থ ইস্ট মানে কোথায়, কোথা থেকে? অরুণাচল প্রদেশ কি? অরুণাচল প্রদেশ হলে আমাকে বলবে, হ্যাঁ আমার 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 হোয়াটসঅ্যাপে কানেক্ট করবে। আমি অরুণাচল প্রদেশে যেতে চাই, আই ওয়ান্ট টু ভিজিট। কেমন আছে দিদি? হাই। চলো, সো হিয়ার syntax tree, character stream, you can revise from here. It is a, I can say 100% sure area. Always you are getting question from here. Okay? Character stream, lexical analysis. After that, token stream going to the syntax analyzer. Then it is coming to the syntax tree. Then it is coming to the semantic analyzer. Then intermediate representation. Then code generator. So here you are getting this syntax tree, means here which one is the input of what. They are not asking direct. They are asking here which one is input of what. According to that, this question was there. That's why here you are getting this answer, right? Now you see the sequence. No, this is the, which of the following could be obtained from the syntax tree. Thank you, Bharti. Thank you, Bharti. Sing in your face native affection. Definitely. Definitely. Who don't like their native? Tell me. Everyone like their native, right? Rosie. Yes. So here your answer is syntax tree is doing type checking also, code generation also, code optimization also, but error handling not done by syntax tree. Okay. Here this is the answer for the last question. This is just now we have done. So this one also high probable question, 99% chance you are getting always question from this parser sequence. Always they are making question from this parser sequence. Tell me the answer. Okay. So here your answer is this one. You remember this, very very important. LR1, LALR, SLR, LR0, LL0. Okay. According to that you are getting this answer. The higher one, lower one is very very important here in the parser. Now it is a direct question, YACC, but popular question. Examiner's favorite question. They are asking this. YACC, what type of parser? This is a LALR parser. What is the full form of this? Who can tell me? YACC, what is the full form? Let me know in the comment. Now the 3 address code. Last to last year, that means June 2025, they asked 3 address code comprehension type question, which was very much conceptual question. Very much conceptual question. That detailed video is there. Those who did not cover before exam, if you are not able to cover, later also try to cover. That is very much interesting, and if you can cover, you just cover it. Yes. So here the instruction which exactly in the middle, that is the wrong. Other than that, these all statements are correct about the 3 address code. 3 address code is very important concept. From the statement only you can revise. That's important for you. Now see again another one from the 3 address code and L attribute together. Yes. So this is your all revision from TOC. Now can we move to networking? Networking is the high scoring area. Really, I am telling you, high scoring area. Let's do the revision for networking. Don't miss the networking. I can say that if you revise networking with me now, 100% you will get question from here. After that, if you are interested for AI, we will come back to AI. Okay. कहाँ गया भाई? Ready? Ready for networking? Because in networking, computer network, minimum 12, maximum 17 question also come. So that means 24 to 34 question marks came from one subject. Maximum question came 17. According to previous analysis, I am telling 12, 13, 14, so they are asking. 17 also they ask. So that's why it is a very scoring subject for you. Okay? Chalo. We will do theory, numerical both. Don't worry, because the subject is theory, numerical both. Do this. This is the most important 100% sure area. Always you are getting question from this. Always you are getting question. Quick answer, everyone. Be active. Quick answer. Yes. Answers are coming. Very good. Very good. And here is your quick revision for you. That is most important revision. Physical layer transmit raw bit over the communication. Example, cable and hub. Data link layer handle error detection, framing, MAC addressing, switching. Here network layer routes using router is the main important keyword. Here IP router you can remember. Transport layer ensure reliable data transfer with TCP and UDP. Session layer manage the session connection between the application. Presentation layer translate, encrypt, decrypt, compression, decompression, all are going on here. Application layer is the end user. HTTP, SMTP, FTP, these all are working under this. Whenever you are coming to TCP, actually in WSI layer there are 7 layer, TCP there are 4 layer. all the layer combined here as a network interface, then internet layer, then transport layer, then application layer. Okay, but work is same. So 2-3 layer combined merged together, that is the difference only. So here now tell me the answer for this. Quick do it. আচ্ছা, রোজি ফ্রম শিলং। হ্যাঁ, শিলং খুব ভালো জায়গা, যাবো আমি ঘুরতে। Yes, presentation of bit here. So answer is option 2, definitely. Now do the answer for this. Sequence, this is a sequence. Okay, sequence here. You need to identify the layer, then you have to arrange it. Transmission of raw bit, that is actually the physical layer. Transmission of the raw bit from the frame. Frame is the keyword, that is data link layer. Then control monitor subnet, that is network layer. Subnet is the keyword. Transmission data, connection oriented and connectionless using datagram. So transport is the keyword, and handling user interface application is the keyword. This is a very interesting question, right? Now tell me, dialog control going on in which layer? Dialog control in which layer? Yes, dialog control. You can see here, this is application layer, provide the service to user application. Here translation, encryption, data encryption. Here session establishment, dialog control, synchronization. That is going on in session layer. You remember that? So that's why session layer is the correct answer, right? This is your correct answer here. Next, protocols. These protocols are important for you. SMTP, BGP, TCP, PPP, in which layer it is working? সন্দীপ পাল, আমি দেখেই বুঝে গেছি ইউ আর বেঙ্গলি। আমি নামটা দেখেই বুঝে গেছি, সন্দীপ পাল। কারণ আমিও তো, আমি আমার শ্বশুর বাড়ি পাল। আমি নই, আমার শ্বশুর বাড়ির লোক পাল। তো পালটা দেখে তো বোঝা যায়। SMTP, BGP, TCP. So here you remember application layer, HTTP, HTTPS, FTP, SMTP, POP3, IMAP, DNS. These all are working in application layer. Presentation layer, SSL, TSL, JPEG, MPG, I means those whatever you are using for your image. These all. Net bias, RCP, PPT, these all are session layer. TCP, UDP, this is transport layer. Network layer, IPv4, IPv6, ICMP, IGMP, this all. Data link layer, Ethernet, PPP, HDLC. Physical layer, these all are in physical layer. Okay? So this is your answer here. Now do this. Yes. Here your answer is host to host and process to process. IP is responsible for host to host communication and TCP is responsible for process to process. Now the next. Here. Interesting one. To the next. Quick answer. Yes, your answer is this one. Right. This is your correct answer. Here. Now the next. Tell me the answer for this. This is different. Address resolution, reverse address resolution. Very, very important. Remember one thing. Here, this is also I can say that it is 99% chance you are getting question from here. And they are making twist. They are making twist. How they are making twist? By language. So remember one thing. Think about input and output. IP to MAC and MAC to IP. Whatever statement they are giving, think it what is my input and what is my output. Otherwise, in the twist of the statement, you are getting mistake. Okay. So IP to MAC means this is ARP, MAC to IP means RARP. Remember that. Here it is your quick revision chart. HTTP, HTTPS, FTP, SMTP, POP. Just quickly you can go through it. And you can take the screenshot also if you want. Then the next. These charts will help you for last minute revision. That much maybe you will be not able to remember, but important area you can remember. So your answer is option 4 here. Right? Yes. Now see here. This is current trending according to your mobile computing, IoT, mobile computing, from that area. MANET, very popular topic. Yes. So here self-organizing, decentralized, like MANET is the infrastructure less. It is infrastructure less, meaning they don't relay the pre-existing wired or wireless infrastructure like traditional network. Instead, node from the network like we are autonomously without central controller. Wherever low internet, that much internet connectivity not available, there also it will work. That's why high mobility of the node of MANET are mobile, meaning they can move freely and change their location. That's why it is nowadays that much popular and require fixed infrastructure operation. So MANET not required any fixed. Remember, it is very important concept for you. Again, you can get the question from here. So that's why your answer is A, B and D required fixed infrastructure. That is, you can eliminate and you can answer. Okay. Now do this one. Quick answer. IP addressing, most important. Yes, so here this is the IP addressing area where it is divided into 32 bit, right? So byte, you are getting class A, 8 first byte 8 bit, and this is 24 bit, 16 bit, 16 bit, this is 24 bit and 8 bit, and this is your multicast and this is reserved. Very important. So according to that, these all are correct. Option C is not correct because in option C it is given address class C used for multi-class. That is wrong, right? So others are correct here. Now tell me the answer from this type of, so very popular, they are giving IP address and they are asking you what is the class here. Yes. Here your answer is, before that revise once, this is very important chart for you, very important chart. The range of class A 0 to 127, class B 128 to 191, class C 192 to 223, class C, class D 224 to 239, and class E 240 to 255, right? And here you remember the number of bit and host, and most important the number of network 2 to the power 7, and here it is 2 to the power 24, here it is 2 to the power 14. Because why? Because 2 bit is the leading bit here. Because of the leading bit, because of leading bit it is coming 14. Here 2 to the power 21, 3 leading bits are there. These are important. They are asking question. I will show you the question from here. Highly expected comprehension type question. So just focus on the first byte and according to the range do the answer, right? You need to focus on the first byte. Now tell me the highly expected area for your comprehension question. Already previously also they ask, again they can ask you. Answer quickly, quick answer. Yes. So the class B network, internet has subnet mask is this. So what is the maximum number of hosts per subnet? That is your question. So from the mask, first of all you have to identify, mask means net bit 1, all net bit and subnet bit 1 and host bit 0. So how many bits are there? 1. According to that you need to understand how many net bit are there. So you are able to see it is 8 plus 8, and 248 means what? How we are writing 248? This is 1, this is 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128. So 248 means actually 255 means all 1. So 245 how to calculate? Minus 7. That means 0, 0, 0 and this is 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bits are 1. So 8 plus 5, these all bits are 1. So that means 21 bit are 1. 21 bit allocated for net and subnet. So remaining 11 bit are there for host. That's why how many address per subnet you can create 2 to the power 11. But it is asking you about host. First and last is always reserved. First one reserved for your net ID, last one reserved for your broadcast ID. That's why here your answer is 2046. If it is asking address, then go for all. If it is asking host, then definitely do 1 minus. Otherwise, your 2 minus, otherwise your answer will be wrong. Now do this. Yes. So here this type of question is very popular. They have given A has the IP address this one, subnet mask this one, B has IP address this one, and this is the subnet mask. So what one of the following is true here? That is the question. So which one is true here? Whenever you are doing the AND operation, after doing an assumption is going on. I am assuming that you are in my network. That means actually I am doing mistake. I am doing AND operation with my subnet and I am trying to forcefully assume that you are in my network. You see here, this is actually my subnet. I am doing this. I am getting my net ID this one. Whenever you are doing AND operation with mask, then you are getting net ID. Here also you are doing AND operation. You are getting same. Actually it is different, but still you are doing. So that's why as you are getting same, you are thinking that both are same. But here whenever B is doing, it is getting this one. But B is doing with A, it is getting this one. So B is not able to assume, but A is able to assume. So that's why A assume that B is in same network, but B assume that they are in different network. Clear? Assumption going on, just do the AND operation and get the answer. This is the comprehension type question actually. So may I know how many of you are there actually? I think very less numbers are there. Okay, no problem. If one student is also there, then also I am there, no problem. Yeah. So here your answer is 64. Same way you can do, because you can see here 16 bit already allocated for net part. You are going to do 1024. 1024 means 2 to the power 10. That means 10 bit. 10 bit you have to borrow from the host part. So whenever you borrow 10 bit from the host part, so 16 minus 10, that means 6 bit is there. So 6 bit is there means 2 to the power 6, that is 64. So total 64 address is possible, that is the host bit. Now out of that 64 only address, because it is asking you address, it is not asking you host. If they are asking host, then you have to do 64 minus 2. Got it? Yes. Now do this. Can we do DS? After doing this, we'll see. All are there. Tell me. Yes. It is easy question, very easy question. Prefix is definitely this one. No need to think about. Next. Quick answer. I will go for next. First and last address of the first subnet. Very important calculation here. Very important calculation. Don't do mistake here. First and last. As I already told here, what to do? 130.56.0.0. From here 16 bit already there, so this I cannot change. This is 16 bit. After that 10 bit, that is also subnet. Remaining 6 bit I can do any change. So that's why first subnet means it will be same as it is. Same as it is. So 130.56. No need to do anything. Subnet will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That 10 bit is your subnet. After that first host, first address 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is your first host, means first address. And last one will be 130.56.1234567 8 9 10. Then all host is 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's why you are getting this answer, this one and this one. This is the way you have to do first and last address of first and last subnet. Same way this question also came. You can do it. I am not doing here. You can do that same way. First and last for the last. In that area you have to do last address. Here how we are doing, I am showing you directly. 130.56.1234567 8 9 10. All subnet bit also 0. Then first address 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And same way we are doing 130.56.1234567 8 9 10. Then last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's why you will get this address. Right? That is your first and last. Here what is the subnet mask? Quickly give me the answer. Quick give me the answer. All are giving wrong answer. All are giving wrong answer. Because subnet mask is all net bit 1, host bit 0. All net bit and subnet bit 1 means 16 plus 10, all will be 1. All 1, and this 6 bit will be 0. That's why 255, 255, then 255, then 1, 2, then 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is your subnet mask. That's why answer is this one. Got it? Clear? Okay. Now tell me what is the answer for this? Ethernet. COA class is there, Poonam. You can watch. COA revision class is there. Check that. In the rapid revision folder, you can get the COA. Ethernet is given. What is the address in hexadecimal number? Yes. Here whenever it is Ethernet means MAC address. Just divide into 4444. First 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then next 4. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. Again 4. Then 4. 4 byte, 4 byte. Just divide it into 4 byte, 4 byte and convert into decimal. Hexadecimal. Convert into hexadecimal and get the answer. Try to apply some shortcut also. Okay. Acha. Now header, very important, highly expected area. Already question came one time. Quickly do this. What is the header size? Can you tell me? Or rather than asking, I think if I am telling you quickly, your quick revision will be done. That's better. So here it will come 20 byte. Here it is coming 84. How it is coming? How to solve the comprehension? I am telling you. That's better without asking you, so that your quick revision will be done. You need to remember the header. How to answer all the question. This is a comprehension actually. This one you need to remember. This one you need to remember. Where 4-bit version, header length, type of service, total length. Identification number 0, DFMF, then fragmentation offset. Time to leave, protocol, header checksum. Then source, then destination. Here you have to divide the number because each and every one is 4-bit. This is hexadecimal number. That's why this is 4, this is this one and this one. After that, as this is a hexadecimal number, you have to convert the hexadecimal number into decimal. 5 multiply into 16 plus 4 multiply into 16 to the power 0 to the power 1. You are getting here 8 plus 1. That's why you will get here 84. This is the way you will get here total length. And here you are getting header length. Header length is 5 means here it is 5 multiply into 16 to the power 0. Okay. So here header length they are not asking. So they are asking only total. Now here you see that identification number, time to leave. This is telling you that how many router you can go, that is again convert into. So you will get here 32. Convert into hexadecimal. That's why you will get here 32. And this is your protocol list. This is your protocol list. 6 means TCP. That's why you will get here answer 0, 84, time to live is 32, TCP is this one, TCP, and efficiency means actual length by total length. Actual length is 64, total length is 84. That's why efficiency is coming this one. According to this, you need to answer. So this is important for you. Unicast, multiclass, broadcast. Can you tell me the answer for this? After that, I will move on to the next subject, whatever you want. DBMS, as I told the DBMS. We'll move on to the DBMS. And I will show you some other important area for your networking revision. Little bit I will scroll down. I'll show. Then we will move on to the DBMS. Answer is coming. Here, how to understand unicast, broadcast, multicast. This is the way how you are getting it. Here you need to find out the last bit of the first byte. Last bit of the first byte. Here unicast is 0, multicast means 1. So easy way you can remember, if it is a even number then it is a unicast. If it is odd number then it is multicast. Even means unicast, odd means multicast, and all F means broadcast. In this way you can remember. Okay. So you can see that. Just focus on this last, this one. It is a even number, that's why unicast. Here it is a odd number, that's why it is multicast. These all are F, that's why it is broadcast. This is the way easily you can remember unicast, multicast and broadcast. Okay. Here ma'am, DS, all are telling DS. Okay, we'll do DS, no problem, whatever you want. Data structure, all are asking. Okay, no problem. So here your answer is this one, TTL, right? Because time to leave means it will decrement. Okay, as I am showing you something UDP. This is revised ones. As you are interested, I will move, but these are important for you. This is your UDP header. Remember it. I am scrolling one by one little bit. You just see, because I have prepared so many things for you. You just see it, then we will move on. Array, it's loading ray. Fragmentation offset is taking little bit time to load. This is also here. All these header are important for you. TCP, UDP, and this header all are important for you. After that, most important area is cryptography area. That revision must do this cryptography area. Otherwise, you will miss the topic. Here, UDP is working with what? Congestion control, flow control. These areas are most important for you. Okay. Here, this is the difference between TCP and UDP. Must revise. Now I think cryptography is here only. Let me. This one I was. You all are not interested. I am ready to explain, but most of you are not interested. What can I do? No problem. I'm just showing you. This is also important for you. CSMA. Just let me scroll down. At least you can. It is coming in front of you. You can remember. This is Aloha. CSMA, CDMA. From here you are getting question. Must remember this random access, control access, channelized access. And this is the formula for Aloha, where it is working. Can you give me the answer for this? Can you give me the answer for this? Aloha. Do the answer. Just now I shown you. That's why just now I show you the picture. Quickly answer. Yes. Answer is option 2 here. Next one, CSMA. These are access control are very important for you in networking. Very important. Yes. So one persistent, non-persistent and P persistent. This is actually immediately. This is wait for random time. This is probability and this is order. That's why. Next one. Here networking, those who are ignoring. Actually you are ignoring your score. ACD is the correct answer. So here is the question from one persistent. We have done previously also. Here you see one question again from TDMS. So many questions are coming from access control. Whatever topic I am showing you, these are the 100% sure topic. That's why I am showing you. Yes. So A and D is the correct answer because B and C is wrong. Why? Because TDMA time devicing assigning the time slot for does not walls table is not required here. And CSMA carrier sense multiple action detection originally developed wired network specially for the Ethernet, not for the wireless. These key points you need to remember. This question I think 3 times repeated. CDMA, GSM, UMTMS and Wi-Fi. 3 times repeated this question. Do it. I will show you the security area also. After this only security is there. Yes, this is your answer. Now I am going to the security area directly. Yes, this is your network security area, cryptography area from where you are getting many questions. 100% you are getting question from here. I am showing you the T-chart. Here you see the first question. Tell me the answer. Tell me the answer quickly. Yes. Here your answer is this one, asymmetric. And this is your quick revision chart. Symmetric means one key, asymmetric means public plus private key. Speed is fast here, speed is slow here. Security lower, security higher. DES and this is RSA. Okay. So same key symmetric, two key asymmetric. This is your quick revision chart for all the algorithms from where you are getting 100% sure question. DES, 3DS, AES, Blowfish, RSA, most popular. And what is the beat number? And this is at least remember DES working first child 56 and 16 round. Here AES, this one 128 block. RSA factorization. This is discrete logarithm. And hash oriented work SHA and this. These are working with hash technique. Which is working with what? That is important. This is asymmetric. These three are hash. This is also asymmetric. These all are symmetric. From here you are getting question. And the number. I am showing you the question. You can see the question here. Digital signature, hash table, AES, RSA. Yes. Here your answer is this one. Option 2 is the correct answer. See that you are giving wrong answer. You are not interested to learn. You are not, till now you did not learn. Now also you are not learning. You are doing mistake. See, with the RSA only you can do the answer, but still you are doing mistake. Again you see key size. From the key size question came. Yes. So answer is this one. No problem. This was a challenge question. So these are the cryptography area. Acha. Now tell me what you want, DBMS or DS. Some of you are telling DS, some of you are telling DBMS. Those who are live, according to that only I will do. Is up to you. Tell me. Okay, 61% data structure. Okay, I'm directly opening the PYQS, DBMS data structure. And 61% is data structure. Okay, no problem. 62% data structure. According to that only, first we will do DS. I'm opening the question from DS. Do it. Do it. Very important area. Tree. Yes. Here your answer is option 1. Most of you are doing mistake. Here how to do that? Pre-order. From the pre-order you have to find out this is my root. It is in order. Sorry, this is my in order given. And this is my pre-order given. From the pre-order I have to find out the root. A is my root. After that you have to mark the root here. Then you see this is in left hand side, that means D, B, E. This is in left hand side, and F, C, G. F, C, G. This is in right hand side. Now again next root is B. Identify the next root, that is B. Now D and E is coming. After that C is the next root. So next root is C, F and G. You are getting the tree. Now after getting the tree you will do the traversal post order. That means first I will visit left, right, then root, then again left, right, root, then finally this one. That's why it is your answer. Right? Yes. Now see this. No, exact PYQS will not repeat. Concept will repeat. Concept will repeat. You need to learn the concept. Question, exact question are not repeating. Very less number of repetitions are there. And nowadays generating new question is more easy because AI is there. So definitely don't expect the same question. Same concept will be repeated. Same type of question will be there. Some of the same question can be there. From that question they will generate little bit different way. But exact you can't expect. Yes. Here whenever you are solving, then easy way to solve like this. You can go for opposite direction, that's better, and take the bracket. It's easy to take the bracket. You see that you are taking bracket here. After that you can take the bracket here, this one and this one, then finally take the bracket here. By putting bracket if you are solving, then it is easy. Okay. Here also you see, put the bracket. This is this one, you are putting bracket. Here also you put the bracket. After that you put the bracket here, you are getting here division. After that you put bracket here, then finally you put the bracket here. Like this way, if you are solving, bracket will give you the answer. That is better. Okay. Here also same way, by putting bracket you can get the answer. Step by step do it, then you are able to solve. Otherwise you will be confused. Wherever you are getting that plus minus any symbol, put the bracket. Step by step solve. Okay. Then so that's why after solving, this type of question is popular, very popular. So after solving you are getting this. Arey bhai, just now we have started data structure. Now you are telling DBMS. So you are just switching from one topic to another topic, one topic to another topic. That is the main problem. You are not learning anything in detail. You are not ready to learn any subject in depth. You already at the last moment you are learning. Throughout the you are, what you do I don't know. And now you are trying to switch from here to here, here to here. Like this, how to do? This now we have started DS algo. Now you are telling DBMS. So then I will end the session. It's better. I'll end the session. This is also very important for you. That is your, it is actually your master theorem, extended master theorem. According to extended master theorem, this is the format of extended master theorem, where you have to check if a equals to b to the power k, then it is your complexity. If a equals to b to the power k, if p greater than -1, then this is your complexity. If p equals to -1, then this is your complexity. If p less than -1, then this is your complexity. You need to remember. And here it is coming according to this. Because you can see that a equals to 3, b equals to 4, k equals to 1, p equals to 1. So that's why according to this, if I put, then I get the answer. This is extended master theorem. From there only you can solve this question. And normal master theorem is also very important. You will see question from normal master theorem also. This ordering at the time of sequence we have done. Complexity list you need to remember. You have to remember. Anyhow, you cannot remove it. Okay. Now the next. Kruskal and Prim's. Yes. So here, this is again you are doing mistake. Unique MST, every connected graph has a unique MST. That is wrong, right? Because Prim's and Kruskal can give you multiple MST. Kruskal-Prim's algorithm very important for you, very important. Here the types of algorithm: dynamic, greedy, backtracking and branch and bound. The types of algorithm is also most important. I am searching the quick revision PDF. I think it is there for DS algo. I will show you that. Yes. So this is your answer here. do some question. After that, I will show you the quick revision charts. So here you can see dynamic, greedy, backtracking, branch and bound, divide and conquer. Here you need to remember what is going on, what is the meaning of this algorithm and the example. Solve problem by sorting solution, overlapping subproblem. Solve once and reuse many time. That's why here optimal structure and overlapping is there. Fibonacci, knapsack. Many times questions are coming from here. Many times you will see many questions. Warshall, these are the example of dynamic. Greedy means make the local best choice. So choose best now. First and simple. Kruskal, Prims, Dijkstra, Hoffman, these all are greedy. Backtracking tries all possibilities and backtrack when solution fell. Try, reject, retry. Here recursive pruning possible. N-Queen, Sudoku, graph coloring, Hamiltonian. I am telling you from this chart, 100% one question you will get. Always they are asking question from here. 100% you will get one question. Take the screenshot and revise it. This is also brute force, randomized brute force. Very, very important. Different types of algorithm. Most important area. Okay, must take the screenshot and revise. Mainly they are asking this. Dynamic, greedy, backtracking, branch and bound, and divide and conquer. These are the technique you can remember. Now, NP hard and NP complete. Those who are thinking that, ma'am, it is the December 2025 question, why you are asking this question, so they will not ask. I am showing the question from which topic they ask and related mind map I am showing you, related chart I am showing you, because again you can expect that question from that area. Okay. I am telling you NP hard and NP complete, I am telling you. Yes. So here B and D is the correct answer. Must give the solution of the sub problem. Here you see NP hard problem means greedy problem is not a NP hard means NP hard and NP complete means what? Where NP hard means wherever you are not getting quick solution. In a linear complexity you are not able to solve. It is going to exponential. Those are actually called NP hard. Here I will show you NP hard and NP complete difference also. Okay, I will show you the difference. Some question, you want to show the chart directly? I think you don't have patience to do anything like today. You are like too much patience less. देखो, do the revision. I am feeling like see the PDF and go. But PDF is not opening. What? See the PDF and go. I think you want to see this. I have lots of collection. Whatever you want to see, I can show you. No problem. These are the data type: primary, derived, and user defined. Here These are the data structure. You can see that. Okay. And primitive data type, non-primitive data type. Now here data structure. These are the data structure. And I will show you. Let it load. These are the types of binary tree: full binary tree, complete binary tree, degenerated, perfect, and balance. Different types of binary tree. And these are the formulas from where you are getting question always. Very important formulas from data structure. And this is the complete property of binary tree. All these properties are there. Now this is your time complexity from how the binary tree is working. Yes, here you see algorithm classification. This is linear search, binary search. This is sorting algorithm, bubble sort, selection sort, insertion sort. How they are working. Just go through it, how they are working. That is important for you. This is graph based algorithm, how they are working, all the graph based algorithm. Divide and conquer and greedy backtracking, how they are working. Sorting algorithm. Nowadays, because of means I am able to see a huge change in learners understanding. Here you can see symmetric algorithm and all these algorithm how they are working. Parallel algorithm. Examples of different types of algorithm. And complexity list also coming. Comparison between greedy, divide and conquer and dynamic programming. Goal, space. I hope your revision is done. This is your all complexity list. Must remember the complexity list, because by looking only your revision will be done. I know that. So look at this and do the revision. This is your primitive and non-primitive data structure. Chalo. Okay, revision done, because you want to do that only, right? Static, dynamic, all revision is done. You go for exam hall, that will be better. Because max of you are not interested, it's okay. Whatever you did, you just revise, that's better. Unnecessary, you are getting too much confused. You are also confused, you are also not able to stay focused, and that problem is happening. I can see a huge difference between the learner characteristics. Previously also I have taken marathon class 2 years back also, 1 year back also. That time the learner characteristics was at least at the last moment also they are able to focus. They are able to listen. Nowadays you are not able to focus, you are not able to listen, you don't have that patience, because AI is actually eating your brain. AI is actually eating your brain, and that reels are spoiling your all focus. That is the most dangerous thing. I am ready to focus, you are not ready to focus. I am ready to give, you are not ready to give. So it's up to you, no problem. Whatever you have learned, some of you are there, those who are serious learner, I know that. But you can also understand when in the live this type of problems are going on, definitely those who are running live, they are not getting interest. So I am ending here. It's better to end. And those who learn, just learn, go for the exam. All the best. Thank you.